This is Justin Case of American Newscape, joining our friend, Book Wrangler, Sarah Wisdom, bringing you Yuma County Library Happenings, Take 2. Hello, Sarah. Welcome back to American Newscape.
Thank you. Nice to talk to you again.
Sarah, now what's happening at our libraries?
Well, even though the holiday rush is underway, there are still lots of things to do at your Yuma County Library. So if you maybe need to escape that madness for a little while and just go find something else to do, take a little break, we have lots going on in the month of December. To kick things off, this Tuesday, our librarian down at the San Luis Library is hosting a program on how to make gift bows out of magazines and scrap paper. So if you're even the littlest bit crafty, or maybe you just really like the idea of recycling, this could be the program for you, and guaranteed your gift will look very unique. And they'll know it's from you because when it's all wrapped up and has that custom bow on top, it'll just be a signature.
You know, when I was a little kid and we opened gifts, there was a basket that went around, save that bow, save that bow.
Yes. Oh my gosh, I remember my mom doing that too. Did your mom tell you not to rip the paper too? Don't rip the paper. Open it along the seam.
No, it was enough to try and manage me to save the bow. I mean,
Oh, okay.
I was a wild child to say the least, so
No saving that paper
no saving the paper.
then.
What else have you got, Sarah?
Well, coming up this Thursday at our main library, we have a drop-in device help for, I want to say those of you, but I really have to say those of us who sometimes struggle with technology. If you're one of those people that either your device is doing something you don't want it to do or it won't do what you want it to do, this is an opportunity to talk to the experts at the library. You can bring in a phone, a laptop, a tablet, an e-reader, whatever is giving you trouble, and turn it over to one of our staff, describe your problem, and hopefully they will be able to resolve it for you.
Well, and there's no shame in looking for that help. It would be a full-time job times 10 to try and keep up with all these changes in technology.
Truly. Yes, it changes so fast. They always say by the time you've got that phone in your hand, the developers are already two phones ahead. So it's already old technology and you're just trying to keep up.
Yeah, and those developers, if for those that don't know, are evil, and they sit in a room with Dr. Pepper and they think of ways to mess with us. I mean,
They do.
they couldn't have our best interests at heart. So,
Right. What update can we do next?
okay, Sarah, what else have we got?
Well, last but not least, this is the other end of the spectrum. People who are very, very comfortable with technology, our teens. There's a program for you happening at our San Luis Library on Thursday, and you'll be creating a little retro style art using Microsoft Excel. And this was another phenomenon I had to look up. And what do you mean creating art? And as you know, Excel is all cells, it's little boxes, and people can shade them and color them and outline them and create art. There's some really amazing artwork out there.
I'm speechless.
Yeah.
Imagine
If
that.
you don't believe me,
Yeah, Excel and my art, my brush. Well, that would be interesting, I have to admit,
yeah.
just because I hadn't heard of such a thing.
Yep, neither had I. So this is the great thing about working for the library. I learn new things all the time.
You know, and the library has evolved so much since we were little kids because it serves so many services to so many people. It's really pretty cool. And I think that's why we're
I,
here every week.
I think so. We're constantly evolving and there's always something to talk about.
Okay. Everybody, this has been Justin Case and Sarah Wisdom bringing you Yuma County Library Happenings. Thanks for joining us. Remember, additional information and links are provided in this video's Read More. Today's the day to subscribe to this channel. Please support book wranglers, libraries, and librarians everywhere.